In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose activity level on MyFitnessPal. Explained. Getting your activity level right is one of the most important parts of accurate calorie targets. So let's walk through it from start to finish. First, open the MyFitnessPal app on your device. Make sure you're using the latest version so the menus look the same as what you see here. On the welcome screen, tap Login. If you're already signed in, you'll land on your dashboard automatically. Otherwise, you'll be prompted to enter your login details. Type in your email address and password. Keep this information secure and double check for typos since incorrect details are the most common reason sign-ins fail. When everything looks good, tap Login again to access your account. Once you're on the dashboard, look toward the bottom or top of the screen for the More option. It may appear as a 3-line menu or simply say More. Tap that to open your settings and account options. From there, choose Goals. This is where MyFitnessPal stores your calorie, macro, and activity preferences. Inside Goals, find Exercise Calories and tap it. Set this to Yes. Turning this on allows the app to add calories back to your daily allowance when you log workouts, which helps your targets reflect the energy you actually burn. If you prefer a fixed goal that never changes, you could leave it off. But for most people who track workouts, Yes provides a more accurate daily picture. Now you'll see the list of activity levels and can select the one that best describes your typical day. Here's a quick guide. Sedentary is for mostly sitting, desk work with minimal walking. Lightly active fits people who get up and move a bit throughout the day or take short walks. Active is for jobs or routines that involve a fair amount of walking or standing plus regular daily movement. Very active suits physically demanding jobs or lifestyles with lots of movement most of the day. Remember, this is about your usual non-exercise activity. Your workouts are logged separately and will adjust your calories if you turned on exercise calories. Pick the description that matches your normal routine, not your best or most ambitious day. If you're in between, it's better to choose the lower category and let your logged exercise make up the difference. When you've made your choice, tap Set to confirm. That's it. Your calorie targets will update based on your selection. You can revisit these settings anytime as your routine changes, and a quick check-in every few weeks helps keep your goals aligned with real life.